Number 5. The G-Shock Gavi 01. Alien Eyes is a bold and futuristic timepiece that lives up to its nickname with a design that immediately captures attention, combining rugged durability with a style that feels otherworldly. Its standout feature is the dual digital displays positioned like mysterious glowing eyes on the dial, giving it a striking aesthetic that sets it apart from traditional watch designs. Built with G-Shock's legendary toughness, the Gavi 01 is shock-resistant and water-resistant, making it an ideal companion for both everyday wear and extreme activities. The case and bezel showcase a layered industrial construction that enhances its futuristic look while providing extra protection. Functionality is just as impressive as its design, offering world time, alarms, countdown timer, stopwatch, and a bright LED backlight for maximum readability in any environment. Its resin strap ensures a comfortable fit. Number 4. The Full Metal Casio Oak GM CB2100 represents a striking evolution of Casio's iconic design, blending the legendary durability of G-Shock with a refined, contemporary aesthetic. Crafted with a brushed and polished stainless steel, octagonal bezel, and matching bracelet, the watch carries forward the spirit of the original 1983 G-Shock while elevating it through meticulous forging, cutting, and polishing techniques that highlight both strength and sophistication. Beneath its rugged exterior lies a slim, density-mounted module that keeps the profile lightweight, offering not only enhanced comfort but also impressive functionality. Powered by tough solar technology and Bluetooth connectivity, the watch ensures accuracy while providing features such as dual time, stopwatch, timer, alarm, and super illuminator LED backlighting, making it as versatile as it is stylish. The full analog chronograph layout with 3 subdials delivers a distinctly sophisticated character, replacing digital displays with a Swiss-inspired elegance. A subtle octagonal inset ring at 9 o'clock echoes the bezel's geometry, while the screw. Number 3. The G-Shock MRG B2100 stands as a masterpiece of Japanese craftsmanship, harmonizing traditional artistry with state-of-the-art watchmaking performance. As the pinnacle evolution of the beloved GA2100, it takes the iconic octagonal design and reimagines it through the lens of luxury and resilience. Its case is forged from lightweight yet supremely durable titanium alloys, T64 and DAT55G, while the bezel is crafted from cobarium, a cobalt chrome alloy known for its brilliant luster and exceptional hardness, ensuring the watch remains both resilient to impacts and strikingly elegant. Every surface, from the multi-component construction to the individually hand-polished facets, reflects an unwavering attention to detail, embodying MRG's philosophy of refined toughness. The dial itself is a work of art inspired by the Japanese kigumi woodworking technique, where open latticework creates a geometric interplay of light and depth. This design not only captivates visually, but also allows natural light to filter through. Number 2. The G-Shock GMA's 110BE Barbie Edition. Starting from its candy pink exterior that's impossible to overlook, you'd showcase how the watch reimagines the trusted G-Shock toughness in a playful, fashion-forward tone. The unibody pink design spans the case, bezel, and band, with subtly varied textures and tones bringing depth to its look and echoing the GMA's 110's layered, gear-like dial. Black accents on the hands and bezel lend the bold pink a touch of contrast and grit, retaining that signature G-Shock resilience. Barbie's essence is sprinkled throughout with delightful touches. Her stylized logo at the 3 o'clock position, a heart-shaped motif nestled in the 9 o'clock subdial, the beloved silhouette of her head emblazoned on the band and etched into the case back. Underneath that charming facade lies full G-Shock rigor, shock-resistant build, water resistance up to 200 meters, magnetic resistance. Number 1. The G-Shock DW500 Our Heritage. Revival is more than just a watch. It's a living homage to the timepiece that ignited an era of toughness in horology. Carrying forward the unmistakable square silhouette of the 1983 DW5000C, it blends nostalgia with subtle refinement, its 42.3 mm case width delivering a balanced EOT modern wrist presence while staying true to its roots. The flat bezel, stripped of the raised lettering found on later models, restores the clean, authentic look that defined the very first G-Shock.